What is up guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are going to look at the eval keyword. So I have a very simple text file over here. All it has is a dictionary value which is name is equal to Vishu, and that is it. That is all it is in this file. And in this program what I have is I'm opening the file, reading it and storing the value in a variable called s. Now the thing over here is if I run this right now, I'm going to get the dictionary which says name is equal to Vishu. Now if I want to extract the value of name, I'm going to do it like this, because you can see it is a dictionary because it starts and ends with curly braces, which is also a set, but this one has a key and a value pair, so it is a dictionary. So if I want the value, I will call s of name. Now when I run this, it says string indices must be integers. What it means is this is treating s as a string. And how do I know this? If you do a simple type of s, you will see, I have to remove this. You will see s is a string. So if I do s of 0, it is going to give me the first curly brace, which is this. So it is actually thinking that this dictionary is a string. So to convert this into a dictionary, all you have to do is pass in the eval keyword. What this keyword is going to do is tell the Python interpreter that forget whatever you get, use that in the same format that it is supposed to be. So this is a format of a dictionary. So even if you get string from here, treat it as a dictionary, because that is what I am telling you to do. So if I run this now, you will see the value of Vishu, and if I add in the type of s, you will see it's a class of dictionary. So adding this keyword is making all the difference. Let's remove the value. Let's print out the type of s with the eval keyword. Now it's a dictionary. Now if I remove eval keyword, it's a string. So that eval keyword is telling the Python interpreter that forget whatever data type you get, see what kind of data it is and just treat it as that data type. So another example that will make things more clear for you is this print statement which says 6 plus 6. So remember, these are between quotes. So anything that is between two quotes is a string. So if I run this, it is going to print 6 plus 6. Very easy. All you're doing is printing it out. What happens if I introduce the eval keyword? It's going to print out 12, which is weird because we are adding two strings. It's 6 plus 6. It should actually print out 6 plus 6 because it's strings being added. But if I add in the eval keyword, this suddenly becomes 12. So that is the magic of the eval keyword. All it says is forget the data type around this. Just focus on what is inside and do that instead of focusing on what data type you get. So eval is nothing but letting Python know to interpret the data as it is, not as it receives. So I think that is it for this video guys. I hope you understood it. If you have any questions, please comment below and like and subscribe if you like this kinds of video, and I will see you guys in the next one.